Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to your Gumroad products. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to gumroad.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Now, here's something really important to understand before we continue. Gumroad doesn't bring customers to you, you must bring traffic to your products yourself. The platform provides the infrastructure for selling, but marketing and attracting buyers is entirely your responsibility. So the process I'm showing you today covers everything from creating your product to publishing it, and then you'll need to promote it through your own channels. Once you're logged in, look at the left panel of your dashboard and click on Products. This is where you'll manage all your current and future product listings. Next, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says New Product. Click on it to begin setting up your offering. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the name of your product in the designated field. Make sure it's clear and descriptive so potential customers immediately understand what you're selling. After naming your product, you'll need to select the product type. Choose from digital products, course or tutorial, ebook, membership, or bundle, depending on what you're offering. Now navigate to the price section. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can set your preferred currency, so click on that and select the currency you want to use. Then enter your price in the designated field right below it. This determines how much customers will pay for your product. In the upper right corner, click Next Customize to move to the customization phase. Here, you'll need to describe your product in the designated field. This description is crucial because it helps potential buyers understand the value and benefits of what you're selling, so take your time to write something compelling and informative. If you want to make your listing more attractive, you can upload images or videos that showcase your product and give customers a better sense of what they're getting. Scroll down to the Settings section where you can customize various options by toggling them on according to your preferences. These settings allow you to control how your product behaves and how customers interact with it. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save and continue in the upper right corner. Next, you'll need to upload the actual files customers will receive after purchase. Click Upload your files, then select Computer Files to browse your device. Locate and select the file you want to upload, then click Open to add it to your product listing. After your file has been uploaded successfully, click Publish and continue in the upper right corner to make your product live on Gumroad. And that's it. Your product is now published on Gumroad and ready for customers. Remember, the next critical step is promoting your product through social media, email lists, your website, or any other channels where your target audience hangs out, because Gumroad won't drive that traffic for you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.